How can open data transform everyday life in our regions? From traffic management and public services to urban planning and economic development, European regions generate vast amounts of data every day. However, this data is often fragmented, underutilized, or inaccessible. What if data could truly support smarter decisions, better policies, and more sustainable territories? OD4GROWTH is bringing together regions across Europe, helping them make better use of the data they already have. This is not simply about releasing information into the public domain. It is about making data easier to share and easier to use so that public institutions, businesses and citizens can actively use data to inform decisions, innovate, and respond to emerging social and economic needs. The project builds transregional learning around open data across three main areas: raising its quality and availability, improving public services, and helping local businesses grow and increase regional wealth. Data is increasingly being used to support innovation, enabling businesses, startups, and researchers to develop new data-driven products and value-added services. Public authorities are getting better information to make decisions that affect people's daily lives. These improvements are not abstract ambitions. They are changes already taking place in the participating regions. As a result of this interregional learning, each region is following a practical plan, the Policy Improvement Roadmap, to identify challenges and introduce improvements that make better use of data. This roadmap is helping administrations modernize data governance, structure open data workflows, integrate new analytical tools, and make data part of everyday decision-making. This approach allows regions to transform fragmented information into action, supporting public institutions to be more efficient, transparent, and citizen-centered. In this way, OD4GROWTH is not only identifying challenges, but it is actively shaping solutions that make data a reliable foundation for smarter and more responsive governance. As OD4GROWTH progresses, tangible results are emerging across the participating regions. Public administrations are gaining new skills, departments are collaborating more closely, and better information is becoming available to everyone. At the same time, cooperation across sectors is expanding. Universities, SMEs, public agencies, and social actors are increasingly working together to apply data to real territorial challenges. This shared effort is laying the foundation for long-term territorial resilience and innovation. The roadmap is already inspiring concrete actions and transferable solutions. Regions are developing new open data portals, smart dashboards, and geospatial tools that support urban planning, mobility management, and environmental monitoring indicators. Together, these initiatives show how open data can support better governance and innovation across very different regional contexts. One clear example of how OD4GROWTH is contributing to real policy change can be found in Andalusia. Through the wide range of good practices identified within the project, Andalusia is inspiring policy improvement roadmaps across several partner regions. In addition, the Andalusian Federation of Municipalities and Provinces is fostering local innovation processes that contribute to the implementation of the Andalusian Smart Specialization Strategy for Sustainability 2021 to 2027, S4 Andalusia, strengthening the connection between local needs, open data, and regional innovation priorities. In Hungary, Pan Business Network and the municipality of Szombatli, through the revision of the Szombatli 2030 Economic Development Program, are introducing cutting-edge digital tools, such as a city-scale 3D model and urban sensors, to monitor air quality and traffic in real time. A further example comes from Salute, in Lithuania, where the Salute district municipality is leading the introduction of structured open data practices, monitoring mechanisms, and data-driven decision-making processes, making public services more efficient, transparent, and user-oriented. In the Mazovia region in Poland, the Mazovia Development Agency is helping local authorities develop the skills, coordination mechanisms, and knowledge needed to support data-driven governance and innovation in the long term. Excellent best practices are also emerging from East Macedonia and Thrace, Greece, where the Regional Development Fund, together with local authorities, is creating a data governance framework, setting up a permanent data coordination unit, and training key staff on open data standards. At the same time, the Grand Est region in France is offering an open data ambassador training and creating observatories on health, procurement, biomass and rail transport. This has led to the launch of 2 policy instruments, one for rural digital transformation, and another to help urban and private actors make better use of data. Thanks to the project, Liepaja, Latvia, is publishing its datasets as open data. Here open data turned from a non-existent practice into a formally prioritized and sustainable municipal activity, increasing citizen services and their engagement. Finally, building on interregional learning, the Veneto region launched a new call for open innovation spaces, supporting public authorities, businesses, universities and citizens to experiment with advanced digital solutions and co-design new public services, extending digital opportunities to smaller municipalities and inner and peri-urban areas. Open data is not just numbers, it is opportunities for better lives. Thanks to OD4GROWTH across Europe, regions are discovering how data can support smarter decisions, stronger public services and more sustainable development. The project is showing how open data is a strategic asset that supports transparency, innovation and better public decision-making across European regions. OD4GROWTH, supporting European regions as they strengthen their open data ecosystems and build smarter, more sustainable policy frameworks. Join us in shaping the future.